Okay, let's take a look at another form of factoring fractions, which is called the least common multiple. Well, we looked at equivalent fractions. We came to a conclusion that we can either multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero factor, or we can divide the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero factor, and this will create for us an equivalent fraction. We also said if we want to literally simplify an existing fraction, we look at division and we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. Now, a way that we've actually been showing in class is how to find this greatest common factor. Okay, so and we had a pretty good concept, so I really want you guys to try that concept, not just for Friday, but try that concept, and you'll see how easy it is as you go forward. Well, let's take a few minutes now and talk about the least common multiple. Okay, so a multiple of a number is the product of the number and any non-zero whole number. Again, the multiple of a number is the product of the number and any non-zero whole number. So a multiple that is shared by two or more numbers is called a common multiple, and the least of these common multiples is called the least common multiple, or better known as LCM. Well, I'm just one that believe that the best way for you to really get a good understanding is to literally go through the process. So let's do so. We have this veterinarian at an animal clinic, and he's on call every 4 days. So today is Saturday, and the veterinarian is on call. Well, in how many more days will the veterinarian be on call on Saturdays again? So we have three different methods. I'm going to show them to you one at a time. The first method, actually, here's what we're trying to find. So we know that the solution to the problem is that the veterinarian is on call every 4 days. Saturday occurs every 7 days. So we want to find the least common multiple of 4 and 7. Well, let's look at this, and we just want to pretend as if we don't know anything about math at all, and we want to look at a calendar. So on this one, I have a calendar drawn for you. I'm using June, not a specific June for this year or whatever. We're just using June, and we want to start with Saturday and circle every 4 days on the calendar. And then when you do that, you'll see that when he will exactly be on call again. So we'll start with Saturday. Let me get a different color. And we'll circle Saturday. So now we will take and count actually 4 days. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, he's on call. 1, 2, 3. 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 So as we can see, we pretty much ran out of Saturdays. So let's make sure we did it right. This is Saturday where he starts. 1, 2, 3. So that's 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. That's 4. Then 1, 2, 3. That's 4. And then 1, 2, 3. That's 4. And then 1, 2, 3. That's 4. So let's go ahead and put some July days in here. So this will be July 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So here we see 1, 2, 3. He's on call 1, 2, 3. So he'll be on call again July 5th. Okay. So he'll be on call again July 5th. So if we take and do the math for that, we will see that he will be on call in exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. He'll be on call in exactly 28 days. Well, that should tell us something. Because if we know every 4 days and weeks have 7-day increments, then we're looking at 4 times 7, which is going to equal to 28. Okay, so using the calendar method, this is just telling us after June 7th, he's on call again July 5th, which is 28 days from now. And again, it constitutes with the math. So we will conclude this video, and then we will take a look at another method. Actually, yeah, we'll take a look at one more method, and then we'll look at method 3 and probably give you some problems to work. So I will see you then.